Gucerithirio kwa waki wa nyumba ici iria ingererahirwo ni aikaria matura maria marigiceirie aria matanyitwo kugunika na mubango uyu utumite mbica ya uthaka wacio ukunikwo ni nyeki na ria. Mwene kandarathi wa mbere uria wahetwo wira wa gwaka makiria ma miaka 5 mihituku niwe werekeirio kiara gia gucerithiria kurika gwa tabarira eno akirikana kwaga gukinyaniria ikiro hindi ya waki na macungiriro aratunyukithio kandarathi eno na kunengerwo mwene kandarathi ungi.
This project was started in 2015. Project is supposed to cost 1.2 billion once completed. It is supposed to be housing the people who live in and around at the river.
The project is complete. There are only a few things that are remaining. He has mentioned to you about Kenya Power. Yeah, we're waiting for Kenya Power to come and put transformers and also the small fittings, which, as he has told you, we cannot put them until maybe we have people in. Some of these things you can put and then they get vandalized, although there's security.
Ruhonge rwa waki wa nyumba bururi-ini ruri mubango-ini wa guthurima wira uria urutitwo ni mwene kandarathi uria waheirwo wira wa kuirekiriria niguo icoke ineanwo kuri muingi rukiuga gicunji gia 5% kia waki nikio gitigarite.
The project is not that it has stalled, it's been moving on. The contractor has only been out of sight, awaiting for the analysis of his claims, which is being done.
You have seen there's a lot of grass around. Of course, it has been raining anyway. You expect also grass to grow because it has been raining. But we have spoken to the contractor. They are going to see what they are going to do, at least to clean up the place. But we are looking forward to maybe having this project completed in the next 2 months.
Mubango-ini wa thirikari wa kunyotora a Kenya nyota wa kwigwatira micii yao aikaria matura maria marigiceirie nio matanyitwo kuheo mweke wa mbere wona ciakinyanirio ikiro cia gukorwo igiikarwo. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Ani Ngigi wa Nyamu.